1.3 adding and subtracting integers. I can add and subtract integers.
Nice job, Bergen. Well done. Your face turned kind of red, like the color of your shirt there, but Bergen, nonetheless, that was really good. You guys, sum and difference. Sum means you are. Difference means you are.
Subtracting.
Okie dokie. We're going to skip right on by number 2, and we're going to go to number 3. Anytime you have two signs together, a positive and a positive and a negative and a positive, and a negative and a negative, you always do what?
Rewrite.
Rewrite. Okay? So a positive and a positive, you rewrite with just a positive and a negative, you rewrite with just a negative and a positive, you rewrite with a
Negative.
and a negative and a negative, you rewrite with a
Positive.
Okay, and we know why we're doing some of these, but that's just kind of our shortcut for now. These are examples of our rewrites. So just quick, I'm not going to do all these. A positive and a positive is rewritten as a, guys,
Positive.
a positive and a negative is rewritten as a,
Negative.
you get the idea?
Yes.
And then we came up with these two rules. When two signs are together, so when they're right next to each other and they're the same, you change it to addition, right? When two signs are together and they are different, you change it to?
Subtraction.
Is this everybody? I need everyone involved here. And then 4 is actually what that looks like. So in your assignment, if I give you a problem like 19 plus negative 3, I don't want just this answer. I want you to do the rewrite and then give me the answer. Yes, no?
Yes.
I want the rewrite and then the answer. Yes, no?
Yes.
Questions?
Rewrite, then the answer.
Rewrite and then the answer. Thanks, Mr. Mills. That's
Yep.
a good way to conclude our video.